Okay, we're back. So what we did is we went as far as down as I wanted to go. I stopped about right at this shingle here because these shingles look good. I'm looking to see, make sure there's no shingles. See, I done broke some of the tar paper off, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna squirt a little bit of tar on there and help it lay back down. And just kind of checking them to where we're stopping at. We're all stopping, and I took the nails out all the way, so these shingles should just break right out like that. Now, the reason why, if you guys are wondering, the reason why you're taking the nail out on the top is because of this one here, like right here. This one here is still nailed up here, so it won't let this shingle go right here, right? You can lift it and you can break it off if you want, but it's going to leave a chunk under there. So what I do is I usually leave that like that, knowing that I have to take another nail. And then what you do is you just find the end of the shingles, you lift it out, give it a little push, pull, and they'll come right out. See there? All right, we're going up. And if you guys were watching the last part, you're probably saying to yourself, why did you go so much higher now? And the reason why is this guy right here. See, that nail is like right at the point, right at that area. And what I want to do is I wanted to show you guys that. So I think that's where our leak is coming from. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tear this shingle out. Here it is right there. I said we're going to lift this one, and I busted this one, so we may go up one more. But that's why I say you got to be careful when you tear these shingles apart, because if you don't tear them apart and if you don't lift them like you should, and take your time to get the nail out without busting the shingle up, like so. So if you don't take your time, you will be chasing yourself with a bunch of shingles, and you will have like all kind of shingles having to be replaced all over the place. All right, so like I said, right here we're looking, also seeing if there's any other leakage. I don't see any water. Let's see, water was getting up underneath these shingles here. So like I said, I think our culprit is this one right here where it came in. There was a couple of them else like that. So what we're gonna do is, here again, so we want to take this shingle out, so we got to release this shingle here. We're going to leave it in there, but we're going to release it. I'm going to kind of show you guys, because I didn't show you exactly how I do it, but there's a lot of different ways you can do this. You can either take something that's a little sharper like this, and you can jam it up under there. On a colder day like today, it's not really that cold, it's not really that hot, but you just kind of hit it like that and see how it releases. Once you release that shingle, you'll push it up like that. And what you want to do is you still want to get these nails out. Well, that nail, that might be fine because it's way up there. It's probably missing the shingle, but you can tug on it, and if it don't come out, then you need to look up here and see what shingles or what nails are in the shingle here. But that's how you take your shingles off. So we'll come back after we get these few out, and we'll show you how to put them on. All right, come right back.